Today we will show you how to rack a 2-post rack kit for a SmartUps SRT UPS. First, screw in the 2 ears on the right and left side of the UPS as shown. This is what it should look like when you finish screwing them in. You can see the left and right ears. Now, grab the rails. Be sure to put the side with the threaded holes at the front of the rack. Now, screw them into the rack as shown. Be sure to use as many screws as possible so it is secure. This is what it should look like after you screw in the rails to the UPS. Remember, be sure the threaded holes are at the front of the UPS. Also be sure to use as many screws as possible. Now place your UPS on the rack using the guide rails. Finally, using these screws, screw in the UPS ears to the rails so it is secure.